ఆపేసాయి. Hi friends, I Y Narasimharao. Today we are discussing important topic in chemical bond. That is nothing but Fajans rule. That is nothing but Fajans rule. Okay, here Fajans explain covalent nature in ionic compound. Covalent nature in ionic compound. If you have doubt, if you raise a doubt in your mind, okay, what is that doubt? Sir, you told all ionic compounds are having 100% of ionic character, but what you told here, covalent nature in ionic compound, it is a controversy. Covalent nature in ionic compound. Okay, like if you take one general example, in our human beings also having some good character as well as some bad character. Okay, for example, the bad person Kasab also having a little bit of peace, and he also having some courtesy, kindness in their mind. Similarly, the great persons, for example, I selected some great persons, they are like this, the legendary persons, the god of NTR, Telugu people god NTR, and YSR, people's leader YSR, and visionary, the great visionary CBN Chandrababu Naidu garu, and our present CM Jagan Mohan Reddy garu. All are the legendary persons in Andhra Pradesh. They are very people's persons. Okay, they have so many admirers, as well as in the same time some allegations are present every person, including NTR also, the god of Andhra Pradesh. He has also a little bit of allegations, and Chandra YS Rajshekar Reddy is also some allegations, and CBN also some allegations, and Jagan Mohan Reddy also some allegations. So every great person also having some bad quality. It may be true or bad, it can decide the time. Okay, but what I am saying here, so many, all these people having so many admirers, at the same time they are hated by a few members. They are hated by a few members. Everyone hated by a few members. Similarly, here in the ionic compounds are also having a little bit of covalent character, a little bit of covalent character. That covalent characters influenced by the different factors. The covalent character in ionic compounds are influenced by the different factors. That different factors are explained by the Fajans. Explained by the Fajans. Now we discussed about the what are that Fajans assumptions or rules to explain the covalent nature in ionic compound. Covalent nature in ionic compound. Here the first one is Fajans explains the covalent nature in ionic compounds based on the following rules. Then is the size of cation is increases, covalent nature is decreases, or ionic nature is increases. Okay, according to first rule, the covalent nature is depends upon size of cation. Size of cation. Here, for example, I take some examples, first group elements like this. Here, all these are more electropositive elements. All these are more electropositive elements. The size is increases from left to right, or in group, if all these are present in same group, that's why the size is increased from top to bottom. Here the size is increased from this left side to right side. This is the size of these elements. Okay, here based on that rule, I just ask one question, that is, which is more covalent in the following? Which is more covalent in the following? LiCl, NaCl, KCl, and RbCl, and CaCl. Okay, these are the molecules of chloride of first A group elements, alkali metals, alkali metal chlorides. They are lithium chloride, sodium chloride, potassium chloride, cesium chloride, rubidium chloride, like that. Okay, the question is which is more covalent? Okay, the covalent nature of compound is depends upon size of cation, Here anions are common. Anion size cannot affect the covalent nature in this series. Only affect the cation size. Why? Because in all these elements are differing with the size of cation. That's why the size of cation is inversely proportional to covalent nature. It means the size of cation is increased, covalent nature is decreased. So the correct option is LiCl is more covalent due to the small size of lithium. Okay, it's not ready to lose the electrons. LiCl. The Cl try to attract the bond pair of electrons present in this bond. Bond means 2 electrons. These 2 electrons are strongly attracted by the chlorine. Similarly, these 2 electrons are also strongly attracted by the nucleus of lithium. That's why a little bit of polarity is formed. That's why this bond is less ionic. Less ionic means more covalent. That's why. So the correct option is LiCl due to small size of lithium. The covalent nature is inversely proportional to size of cation. The question is asked in different manners. If you know the concept, if you remember this point, you can answer the question if they are asked in different manners, like which is more covalent, which is more ionic, or which is less ionic, increasing order of covalent nature, decreasing order of covalent nature. So they are asking different manners. The correct concept is, the apt concept is this point. If you remember this point, you can answer the question, whatever may be they asked. Which is more covalent or which is more ionic, which is less covalent, which is less ionic, or increasing order of covalent nature or decreasing order of the covalent nature. So you don't by heart the questions, you learn the concepts involved in that topics, then only you can answer the questions. Okay, so the next rule is the size of anion is increases, covalent nature is increases. If size of anion is increased, covalent nature is increased, ionic nature is decreased. Why? Because here, for example, it takes halogen elements. All these are the negative charged fragments, fluoride, chloride, bromide and iodide. Here the size is increased from fluorine to iodine, fluoride to iodide, like that. The example is which is more ionic in the following. It means here the answer is LiF. Why? Because the covalent nature is directly proportional to size of anion. Covalent nature is directly proportional to size of anion. Similarly, the ionic nature is inversely proportional to size of anion. Ionic nature inversely proportional to size of anion or directly proportional to size of cation. If you remember this point, you can answer the question. The question is, which is more ionic? The ionic nature is here in this series. Cation is common, anion is changed from molecule to molecule. That's why the nature of ionic or covalent nature depends upon only size of anion. So size of is directly proportional to size of cation and inversely proportional to size of anion. It means the anion which have less size is more ionic. Similarly, the ion which have large size, the anion which have large size having less ionic nature and more covalent nature. Okay, so the correct option is LiF is more ionic and Li is more covalent or less ionic. Here also we can answer the questions like which is more covalent, which is covalent, which is more ionic, which is less ionic, increasing order of ionic nature or covalent nature, like that. Okay, so the second point is the size of anion is increases, covalent nature is also increased. Covalent nature is also increased. Okay, and the third rule, the charge of cation and anion. The charge of cation and anion is increased, covalent nature is also increased. Third rule explains both the charge of cation and anion. It means the charge of cation and anion is increased, covalent nature is increased. It means the attraction is increased. Okay, here if charge of cation is increased, attraction is increased. If charge of anion is increased, repulsion is increased. Due to the repulsions between the electrons, it can hesitate the incoming electrons. That's why the charge of anion is increased, repulsion is increased. That's why repulsions between the electrons increased. That's why ionic nature is decreased or covalent nature is increased. But in case of cations, if the charge of cation is increased, the force of nucleus attraction is increased. That's why covalent nature increased, ionic nature is decreased. Okay, like that. That's why the charge of anion or charge of cation increased, covalent nature is increased and ionic nature is decreased. The main concept is, if anion charge is increased, the repulsions between the electrons are increased. That is the most important point. Similarly, the cation charge is increased, the force of attraction of nucleus is increased. That's why covalent nature increases in both cases. Okay, reasons are different. Finally, ultimately, covalent nature is increased, ionic nature is decreased. The best example is FeCl3 is more covalent than FeCl2. Why? Because in case of FeCl3 the charge is +3, but in case of FeCl2 the charge is +2. So in FeCl3 iron having more charge than FeCl2. That's why FeCl3 is more covalent than FeCl2. The force of attraction in this molecule, the force of attraction of iron, ferrous in this molecule is more than that molecule. Okay, clear? And last rule is, fourth rule is, the ions which do not contain inert gas configuration are more covalent. The ions which do not contain inert gas configurations are more covalent. Inert gas configuration means after the attraction of that electrons, if it gain either inert gas configuration or pseudo inert gas configuration. Inert gas configurations are more ionic than pseudo inert gas configuration elements. Similarly, pseudo inert gas configuration molecules are more covalent than inert gas configuration molecules. Okay, the best example is here CuCl is more covalent than NaCl. Why? Because in that NaCl, Na plus having inert gas configuration, Cl minus also having inert gas configuration. But in case of CuCl, the copper having pseudo inert gas configuration. Okay, clear. So it is more covalent. Than CuCl is more covalent than NaCl. Okay, these are the four rules. By using this knowledge, we can answer the questions like that. Just now we can solve some questions by taking some examples like this. Here, which is more covalent in the following? These are the second group, halogen. Second group, chlorides. They are BeCl2, MgCl2, CaCl2, SrCl2. Here also anion is common, cation size is changed from the one molecule to another molecule. Okay, covalent nature depends upon the size of cation. The relation between the covalent nature and size of cation is covalent nature is inversely proportional to size of cation. Covalent nature is inversely proportional to size of cation. So, according to this principle, the cation which have less size having more covalent nature or less ionic nature, due to this BeCl2 is less covalent. Why? Because due to small size, the distance between the nucleus and outermost orbit is less. Due to this, there is a large force of attraction between nucleus and outermost orbit. That's why the beryllium nucleus attracts the electrons present between beryllium and chlorine. These two electrons are strongly attracted by this beryllium nucleus, okay, rather than chlorine. That's why these electrons are slightly moved towards the chlorine due to more electronegativity. But in case of SrCl2, the size is large. That's why the distance between the nucleus and this outermost orbit electrons are very more. That's why electrons are moved towards the chlorine, more towards the chlorine. That's why a large polarity is developed in that bond. That's why SrCl2 is more ionic and less covalent. That is the reason. It depends upon the force of attraction. Force of attraction depends upon the size. So this is the reason. Okay. So, and also we can take another example, which is more ionic, which is more covalent in these compounds. Okay. In first series, LiCl, NaCl, KCl, LiRbCl, CaCl. Okay, here anion is same, cation is changed from one molecule to another molecule. So, which is more covalent, which is more ionic? In first series, which is more ionic means the cation which have LiCl. In the first series, LiCl is more, in first series, CaCl is more ionic and LiCl is more covalent. Similarly, in the second series, size of depends upon the size of anion. That's why the ionic nature depends upon the size of anion. The ionic nature of compound is directly proportional to inversely proportional to size of anion. It means size of anion is increased, ionic nature is decreased. That's why LiF is more ionic in the second series. Similarly, Li is more covalent. Like this. Now I can write the some series. For example, Li, F, NaF, Kf, RBF, CSF. Similarly, LiCl, NaCl, KCl, RBCl, CaCl. Okay, similarly, NaBr, KBr, RBBr, CSBr, cesium bromide. Similarly, lithium iodide, sodium iodide, potassium iodide, rubidium iodide, cesium iodide. Okay, now the questions are asked in this horizontal manner or in this vertical manner. Okay, if you take this vertical manner in this series, vertical series like this, or if you take this horizontal series, you can answer the questions. Okay, in this series, anion is common in every vertical series. Anion is common, but cation is changed. So the covalent nature, ionic nature depends upon size of cations. But in case of horizontal series, cation is common, anion is changed. So the covalent nature is ionic nature depends upon the size of anions. Okay, so now we can answer the questions which is more covalent, which is less covalent, means from in this series from left to right, the ionic nature is decreased, covalent nature is increased. From left to right, ionic nature is decreased like this. This is ionic nature and this is covalent nature. In this series, ionic nature is decreases, covalent nature is increases from left to right. Okay, in every series like that. In this series also, ionic nature is decreased, covalent nature is increased. Okay, you can select the which is more covalent or which is more ionic like that. Similarly, if you write from in this vertical series, LiF is okay. So LiF is more covalent and it is more ionic. So from top to bottom, ionic nature is increased, covalent nature is decreased in every series. In every series, ionic nature is increased, covalent nature is decreased. Similarly, in the second group elements also. Okay, finally, here, thank you, yours Erramnini Narasimharao.